I will say it on you. Have some green tea before you watch my videos.
Have some green tea before you watch my videos.
Can we address the elephant in the room?
Hi guys, so we're gonna read hate comments today with my bestie forever, with my bestie Durdana. So we're gonna read all the hate comments on YouTube, some on Instagram, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, she has a lot.
I know, there's this one, okay.
Okay, the one that said like you look like a retarded dolphin. And
Okay.
I wholeheartedly agree. I agree. That's what I thought when I first met you, like you look like a retarded dolphin.
I don't know how a human being can look like a dolphin. To be honest, so Ruslan Sheikh said, he sent me a picture of my Instagram and he said, you look like a retarded dolphin.
Just being honest.
Just being honest.
Just being honest.
You're a very honest man.
For what? Do you even know I'm a guy or a girl? Why on this earth will I be jealous on cute elephants? I will be jealous on cute that got badly photoshopped to look hot when they are not. And double chins and fake motivation of going to gym when too much fat and trying of pulling the top down so that your fats are
top down.
If you want to show everyone, show the real stuff.
Real stuff. What do you want me to do? Like go naked on camera? Real.
You can find her on Pornhub. She probably does do that on Pornhub though.
Fuck off.
Stop photoshopping too much cause harai gele khuje paite problem hobe kono mil.
Is this 2014? Like did you forget that this is 2017? Oh, we're in 2018.
Truth hurts.
Truth hurts.
Oh! His name on YouTube is I post honest comments.
Good job. Like amazed.
I want to be friends with this guy. Like,
I want to know someone like this. Like,
you seems like you ate your neighborhood. Change the name to I am the fattest god.
This is my favorite.
No talents at all, but graceless faces all over Insta.
The thing is,
I'm sort of confused about whether we're filming hate comments or YGS.
Fattest god.
Fattest god.
Fattest god. Yar. You're not demigod. Where is your off button?
Like, is your off?
Like if you shoot me with a gun, that's my off button.
Oh god.
So just like you know,
that joke died as soon as I was born. Some old guy commented. No hate on old guys, but like someone commented. Someone had the time to comment on Charlie's video, and he went like, "It's not rice, it's rice. Girl, you can barely speak Bangla. Take lessons." First of all, that's not Bangla.
That's a Hindi name. Hindi.
Oh god.
Hindi. Don't you get it? I'm not from India. I don't know Hindi. Sorry. Okay, now let me do it with a passion.
Move to fucking India.
Now, Aziza Abdullah said it with a passion, with all caps. Get out of BD!
With an exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Perhaps you should start a Photoshop tutorial on how to transform yourself to look beautiful in Insta, whereas in reality you're not even remotely as pretty.
I mean, I could do a Photoshop tutorial, but then again, I know more Photoshop than you, you're dumbass. So.
He's just very hurt, it's okay.
It's okay. Like, you can learn Photoshop on YouTube too. Like, search it up. Search up right here. Right here.
Are you gonna cringe? Stop! Stop! Shoromita Hauladar. She got 13 likes. She's popular.
Like, did I even get 13 likes?
You know, you probably didn't. You got more dislikes. I genuinely saw.
Like, why do I get so many dislikes? Like, I think sometimes I get like more dislikes than my views.
Because you're a retarded dolphin.
A different species.
At point.
You guys should be respectful towards retarded dolphins.
Right over that is pretty ain't everything, you punk ass. Too bad you're not even pretty.
You just said that pretty ain't everything.
Pretty ain't everything, you punk ass.
Then what? Then I'm not pretty. But you're saying that pretty isn't everything.
MG, you gave me enough cancer and enough reason to unfollow you on Instagram.
Oh no.
And do you know YouTube?
No.
And you hate the Paul brother. Logan is the best YouTuber out there. Okay, it's not even worth reading. This comment isn't even worth reading.
I love it.
LEL, get a life and start loving biryani. Okay, I agree with the last point. You should start loving biryani.
I don't get it. Like,
but
Like you guys have more biryani for yourselves.
Shut up. Listen.
It's a good thing.
If she has had already enough cancer, why is she on your YouTube channel?
Yeah,
watching your fucking video. Can I swear? Chemotherapy. Haters make elephant famous.
It's true.
It's from the same guy. I post on his comments, but like, this is actually true.
You spend so much time on my YouTube channel. Like, I don't even spend that much time on my YouTube channel.
You should make an appreciation, like, video about this guy. Worst YouTuber, haha. Everyone laughing.
Haha. Can we do haha together? 1, 2, 3. Haha. Likes?
No, he doesn't.
Aww. Oh man, everyone else has
I don't
likes.
think everyone's laughing with you, bro.
In real, you look opposite, like the opposite of what you look. Oh, sorry, I got
Double
confused.
opposites.
In real, you look like the opposite of what you look like in photos. 17 likes. How come I don't get any validation? I work so hard for you guys.
Okay, so like, if you look like a retarded dolphin in your pictures, does that mean you don't look like a retarded dolphin in real life? I'm making so many points.
She's turning it all around for me.
Yeah.
Soviet style said that. You are right.
This FFK me.
I don't know.
FFK likes you.
Who's FFK? Sajid Hasna. Who's FFK?
Probably a nice person.
You guys are really like vague about vague.
Vogue. You guys are really vogue.
You guys are really vague about your comments, like hate properly. Okay, so we're done with all the hate comments.
It's like cringeworthy.
Why can't I move? That I don't care if I'm fat or not. I do not run a fitness challenge. I can be fat.
Challenge. I do not run a fitness challenge. Challenge.
Channel.
Are we actually filming a YGS?
I don't actually run a fitness channel. Fitness channel. So I can be unfit. Okay? It's okay.
That's motivational. Put that on a t-shirt. Fitness challenge. So I am unfit.
So I am dark skinned, I am fat, but I'm not insecure about it. So you guys should stop being so butthurt about how I am fat. I am not transferring my fat to you guys, so you do not have to worry about it.
So like, if I look at your pictures on Instagram, will I get fat too?
Yes! Oh no! Have some green tea before you watch my videos.
Yeah, you might get fat. Or you might like get the motivation to become fat like her.
Yeah, so guys, so that's the entire video, and I have nothing else to say.
Yeah,
and
quality content.
Yeah, I make the best content.
Yeah.
Right? Anyway, so if you guys want, she can do my makeup and I can do her.
No,
you know?
no.
If you guys, okay.
Post more hate comments.
Okay, post more hate comments.
Okay. Let's do something like this. If you get 50 hate comments, I will do this.
Okay.
50 hate comments, pure hate.
Okay, if I get 50 hate comments, good hate comments, not calling me a fatist
Yeah,
god.
like be creative with it. Be creative. Go like, Retarded Dolphin was creative.
Retarded Dolphin was really funny.
Kudos to that guy.
So if I get like 50 hate comments, I'm gonna do her makeup and she's gonna do mine. Like, you know, best friend does your makeup tag. Okay, Fatist got out. So she's really talented, and I'm gonna link her channel down below. Go subscribe and subscribe to my channel too. Please like, share, and
like Shirley. Please like Shirley.
Please like me. So yeah. Channel. I can't talk today. I don't run a fitness channel.
If you're thin, why don't you get any fat? What?